3D Model Geometric Pattern Series 01. Elevate your design projects with this intricately crafted 3D geometric pattern from our Geometric Pattern Series 01. With a clean and modern design, this model is perfect for architectural visualizations, interior designs, abstract art projects, or as a stylish 3D element in any digital environment. Model features: Polygon Count, 8 and 8 809 polygons for optimized detail and performance. Vertex Count, 9,096 vertices, providing smooth and balanced geometry. Design, a sophisticated geometric pattern with clean edges and symmetry, ideal for both contemporary and classic design projects. File formats available: OBJ, FBX, STL, and BLEND for compatibility with most 3D software. UV unwrapped, non-overlapping UVs for easy texturing and material application. Applications: perfect for interior design, 3D printing, visual effects, VFX, game development, and more. Uses: interior and exterior design, great for wall decorations, panels, or room dividers in architectural visualizations. Product design: use this pattern for 3D printing custom objects or jewelry. VFX animations, ideal for abstract backgrounds or special effects in motion graphics. This model is lightweight yet highly detailed, providing both beauty and flexibility for a wide range of design applications. The geometric style ensures versatility, whether for modern minimalistic designs or bold futuristic concepts.